Hello everybody and welcome. My name is Evsebios, I'm a holistic health coach and nutritionist, and today I'm breaking down 5 myths about the raw vegan diet. Myth number 1. Not enough protein in a raw vegan diet. I hear this so much. People come up to me all the time and ask me, where do you get your protein from? Well, first of all, you need a lot less protein than what you might think you do. There's so much misinformation about the amount of protein that we actually need in order to be happy, healthy and vibrant. What I will say for now is that soft leafy greens should give you enough protein, especially if you eat high amounts of them. But if you want that extra boost of protein, you can look for nuts, seeds, especially soaked, and you can just add a tablespoon of chia seeds or hemp seeds into your morning smoothies. Myth number 2. It's way too expensive. Well, yes, if you want to buy tropical fruit that comes from the other side of the world, maybe it is more expensive. If everything that you buy is not in season and mostly organic, it's going to cost you a little bit more. All you have to think about is buy local, buy seasonal, and buy bulk. If you buy produce that grows in the area that you live in, or at least in the country that you live in, it's going to end up costing you a lot less. I'm sure that wherever you live, there's a farmer's market nearby that you can go and buy your produce from. If that's not an option, think bulk. A lot of supermarkets actually have bulk fruit and vegetables to sell, and a lot of the times they're actually organic as well. So no, it's not too expensive unless you want to buy really fancy fruit and veggies that don't come from the country that you live in, or they come from the other side of the world. Myth number 3, a raw vegan diet is nutritionally deficient. No, it is not, or at least it shouldn't be. The beautiful thing about a raw vegan diet is that if you plan well and have a variety of different fruits and vegetables available in your diet, you should be getting enough enzymes, minerals and vitamins that your body requires for it to be healthy and vibrant. However, there are some people out there who might have a deficiency. If you think you might have a deficiency, it's always best to go get tested, and then you might require to take a supplement in order to deal with the deficiency. However, overall, a raw vegan diet shouldn't cause deficiencies, and if it's planned well and has a variety of different fruits and vegetables, should give you everything that you need in order to be healthy. Myth number 4. A raw vegan diet is way too restrictive. I would say the only thing that may be restricting you is your imagination. The beautiful thing about a raw vegan diet is that you have a variety of different foods available all the time that you can mix and match in whatever ways you want. Nowadays, there's plenty of raw vegans out there who have an enormous amount of different recipes for salads, for smoothies, for sauces, for all sorts of different dishes that are very creative and very delicious. What I will say is that the raw vegan diet has the potential to give you flavors you never even thought of. So if you can't come up with ideas yourself, there's plenty of books out there you can go and get inspired from. Myth number 5. You have to stick to the 80-10-10 rule. If you're not sure what the 80-10-10 rule is, it's basically a book that was written by Douglas Graham in which he shares what in his opinion is the ideal diet for a human. While that may be partially true and it is a very balanced diet, it's not something that you have to stick to by the book. Basically mentions that we should be getting 80% of our calories from carbs, ideally fresh fruit and veg, 10% from fats and 10% from protein. But sometimes you might want to have a bit of extra protein, or sometimes you might feel like you're craving a little bit of extra fat. You don't have to follow that by the book. You can play around and decide what's best for you. And this leads me on to my last point, which is the most important thing is to reconnect to your body, to be able to listen what your body actually needs. Your body's always giving you signs, telling you what's needed and what's missing. Through my full body cleanse and coaching programs, I support people in reconnecting to their bodies to understand what's actually healthy for them. I believe that our bodies have this ability to always tell us what's needed. There's a quote out there that I love and I use all the time, which says, "If you can listen to your body whisper, you won't have to hear it scream." All we have to do sometimes is nourish it with whole living foods and simply get out of its way so it can rest and heal by itself. And the beautiful thing about eating a raw vegan diet is that it gives you clarity and it gives you the ability to actually listen to your body speaking to you. If you have any questions or you're thinking of transitioning to a raw vegan diet, I'm here to help. You can actually book a 30-minute free discovery call with me to ask me any questions you may have, or to see if we'd be a good fit to work together. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. You can also subscribe to the channel if you'd like to see more. For now, I'll say thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next video. Have a wonderful day.